Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase Instagram story timing. Instagram stories are a fantastic way to share moments, but they usually cap at 15 seconds per segment. Don't worry, there are simple ways to extend this. We'll cover how to make your stories longer, ensuring your audience sees your full message without interruption. Get ready to enhance your storytelling on Instagram. To upload a longer video, simply record it directly within the Instagram story camera, or select a pre-recorded video from your gallery that exceeds 15 seconds. Instagram's smart algorithm will then automatically split your video into consecutive 15-second segments. This means your viewers can watch your entire message seamlessly, one segment after another, without you needing to manually edit anything. It's super convenient. For even more control, consider using third-party video editing applications. These tools allow you to manually split your longer videos into precise 15-second clips before uploading them to Instagram. This method is great if you want to ensure specific moments fall exactly within a segment, or if you prefer to add unique edits to each part. It offers a professional touch to your extended stories. So, whether you let Instagram automatically split your longer videos or you choose to pre-edit them with a third-party app, extending your story timing is straightforward. This allows you to share more comprehensive content and keep your audience engaged for longer periods. Remember, a compelling story often needs more than just 15 seconds. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.